In this lecture, we are going to talk about how to monitor the heap memory in Java. So first of all, every Java application has a single instance of class runtime. So we can get a runtime reference with the help of runtime.getRuntime. You may pose the question that what is this runtime? Basically, it allows the application to interface with the environment in which the application is running. So we can monitor the size of the heap memory, the total memory, the maximum memory, and so on. So first of all, if we have the get runtime and we have access to the runtime interface, then we can get the total memory. So if I save and run it, first of all, we have the total memory in bytes, but we would like to deal with megabytes. So this is why 1 megabyte is equals to 1024 kilobytes. 1 kilobyte is equals to 1024 bytes. So that's why 1 megabyte is this amount of bytes. So this is why we have to divide the total memory by this value in order to get the memory in megabytes. So as you can see, heap memory currently available for use is 245 megabytes. So this is how we get the size of the heap basically. Okay, then we can get the maximum memory that returns the maximum amount of memory that the Java virtual machine will attempt to use. Java virtual machine can expand heap whenever it needs, but it cannot grow beyond this size. So if we get the maximum memory and we are after megabyte representation, as you can see, the maximum memory is equals to 3616 megabytes. We can get the amount of free memory in megabytes again, so this is why we divide by the megabytes value. So the free memory still available on the heap memory is 242 megabytes, which means that we can calculate the memory in use. The memory in use is the total memory. The total memory can be accessed with the help of the total memory method, minus the free memory that can be accessed with the help of the free memory method. So the difference between the total memory and the free memory, of course, is the memory in use. And as you can see, memory currently used by the heap memory is 3 megabytes. So this is how we can monitor the heap memory with the help of the runtime interface. Thanks for watching.